Good morning today, YouTubers. What am I up to today? Where am I? Well, yeah, what's up, Sam? Turn the power? Hold on. Grand Risings, Grand Risings, Grand Risings as always. Today's adventure, wait a minute, my camera's doing funny things. Today's adventure, I'm in my home shop, converting a 2-car garage to a 3-car garage. Usually I would do something like this myself, but called in a professional. Mr. Sam over here. I don't know the name of his company, but as soon as we open the door again, I'll get his information off the door of his car if you guys are local and want to make a standard 2-car garage into a 3-car garage or a 4-car garage. The issue is this garage door opener hangs very low, and in order for me to get a 4-post lift in here, that garage door would have been in the way, the garage door opener. So I got Sam in here and he got me picked up it's called a jackshaft garage door opener. And this is what we're gonna be putting in place of what's there. So stand by and we'll show you step by step how to do it.